Court 3 right now.
Ay, namali ka. Alam na ko katong mudawat pag-award, pag uniform na daan, kay malibay ka.
Sir, kausa lang palihog tawag sa medals. Dilit mo ano na kayo.
We will now proceed in tag team. We will now proceed in tag team. First tag team. Kiragi Female Junior Sumerian. Mendoza Liana Lovain Apte Gold. Sazor Thierry Silver. 45ers. Rendon Trixie Sipsilian. Sambuan Sipsilians. Rendon Trixie.
Last call for Tampa Bay Atia S of Sicilians Red Armor versus Gabiana Justin G of Jaguars Blue Armor. Please proceed here at Court 3 or else where we will forfeit you. Again, last call for Licata Bay Atia S of Sicilians Red Armor versus Gabiana Justin G of Jaguars Blue Armor. Please proceed here at Court 3 or else disqualified mo.
Any representative from Sambuan Sipsilian to play the bronze medal of Trixie Rendon.
Attention, Sicilians. Wala ni Silicanta Faith na tiya. Asa naman na? Asa. Please proceed here at Court 3. Red Armor. Dalia.
For final, Rivera Andrew Intrigue of Hawks Iron Taekwondo, Low Armor versus Red Armor Mayo Junikia of 45ers. Please proceed to Court 4.
Staging referee here at Court 3. Referee, Court 3.
Kiragi Male Senior Advance awarding Alfornon Ayan G. KG Gold. Dilantes John Harry hit silver. Please proceed to the podium to claim your medal.
AJ JR Colao.
For final call, Low Armor Rivera Andrew Intrigue of HIT Low Armor versus Red Armor Mayo Junikia of 45ers. Red Armor. Proceed to Court number 4. Get ready, please.
Pasensya.
Kirugi Female Junior Intermediate.